Okay, guys. Hey, welcome to a totally different game. Like I said, this is called Deadbolt, and it's from the people, the Hopo Studio. It's from the people that made Risk of Rain, which I haven't played on here. Which I'm surprised I didn't because I thought about it and I figured it would be a weird video. It'd be better to play this with multiple people, I think. But Risk of Rain is one of my favorite games ever. I have two knives. And I'm excited because I guess this is what. Oh shit! I was too busy talking. He shot me. I guess this is their next game that they're working on, and it's about murdering people. Fuck! Didn't get close enough. Interesting. Okay. Okay, I gotta stab him a bunch. What's this guy gonna do? Oh! Okay, I can turn off the lights. I'm assuming that if I turn off the lights, they have a harder time. Oh, I can throw it. Oh, okay, interesting. So there's a lot going on here. That's what I think this was trying to show to me, that I can throw this knife. Yeah, it's gonna go wherever I put the mouse. Picked up a revolver. Oh. Ah, fuck. Okay. Not used to the controls. That's pretty much the problem. Interesting. Ah, we kill each other. Man, you gotta go super fast. But it's hard because you... Ugh, man, okay. Wow, I'm really being really quiet here, and I don't want to be. This game is stressful. Was my point, basically. Come downstairs, brah. Greenman. Why would I need to shoot him? Oh, but I can do cover. Can I do cover from this way? Yes, I can do cover from any way. Cool. Okay. So the goal is just to kill everyone. Whoa. I turned into fucking smoke? This game is weird. I like it. Assuming we'd want to go pistol. Oh shit! What? Okay, confused about that one. Okay, well, we figured this part out. This is easy. Let him come to the door. Actually, I didn't think about this. Whoa. I shot a random person. Which I don't know if necessarily was good or bad, but... Wait, there's like a billion things that happened there. Okay, nope. So I guess this is just a tutorial time. 5 deaths. Hey, you got 3 stars for that. 100% accuracy and 100% headshot. I feel like those numbers are wrong. Anyway, so it looks like this whole game is just kill people. Except for... Oh, man. The flames roar to life. Mission. Get a few noise complaints from zombies shacked up in a house downtown. The fire said. Show them the door. Whoa. Zombie. When people die from drug overdoses, they get stuck here as zombies. Their fire never returns to me. The room got warmer. Overdosing is a pretty new way to die, and it catches me off guard, the flame says. Can't notice them in time. Interesting. Every day, I lend people the gift of life. Their fire, the flame said. They live and grow, and with it their fire grows as well. In return, I expect it back once they pass, but some have managed to slip past the cracks. Slip past? Drug overdoses, suicides, faulty wiring, modern forms of death. Haven't gotten used to it, and I can't catch their fire in time. They get stuck here, somewhere between life and death, still in possession of my gift. The flames grew and spat. That's why I have you. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna say this. If this is what the game is... Okay, wait. Gotta stand up. Choose mission. Oh, what? What? Oh my god. So I'm... Okay, that's what I was like. I looked like my face was a skull, and I turned into smoke, so I'm some sort of magic thing. So they were zombies, was the whole point. What do I got? A revolver. We can enter this vent. Where does it go? This bathroom. Oh, man, that's so interesting too. Oh, I died. I don't know why I die. I thought I was death, basically. Yeah, we're gonna want to get out of there. Oh man, this game is so cool. It's such a interesting concept, I guess. But I like the lore about it also. Like... Oops. I kind of suck at it, though. It's not easy, which is actually nice. Oh, that was totally a headshot. Wonder if I could... No, they didn't hear that. Well, I still think... Oh, right. I could turn off the light. I think that makes him suck, basically. That guy's super dead. Okay, let's go back down to the thing. But that was pretty cool, because it's like a... It's very interesting. Oh, okay, I see what I can do now. Did it! Oh my god. This is really interesting. I like it. Oh, I also have a fancy car. 3 stars. Blah, 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 blah. I died twice. Anyway, So I'm assuming that you come back, you sit at the fire. So this is supposed to be their new game. I guess I'm probably only going to do this once. So he says, so we get to a mission, we talk about drugs. Mission. More members of the Zombie Kings were spotted in a complex downtown. The candles say... Oh, man. That's so cool. I'm sorry, just a little lore building they're doing with this. It's just, I guess this was just a demo, and it's not really, wasn't meant to be seen by everybody, but PC Gamer found it somehow. Actually forgot. I didn't read, but I was just like, I want to... Basically, they showed the background screen of the guy sitting by the fire, and I was like, I'm sucked in because the art's cool. And then I was like, oh, it's by Hopeful Games. The guys that do Risk of Rain, which Risk of Rain rules. Anyways, so I was like, I want to play it. So I'm doing that now. Probably not going to play much further, though. I would like to see when it's a full game. Drugs. The flames seem to be barely listening, its mind preoccupied. A new drug called ash. They harvest it from the brains of the deceased. And smoking it is said to give a high like you are alive again. Find out more. There's a large zombie with a shotgun at the far end of the house. Kill him if you need his gun. Okay. Oh, I can hit escape. I think we'll do this mission and call it quits. Change weapons. Oh. All I've got is the revolver. The toilets event, which I think is funny. This isn't gonna go well for me. Oh, yep, see? He shotgunned me. That doesn't work. But, like, the only place this event goes is here. Holy shit, the shotgun's really strong. Oh, I got 2 headshots. I was totally not expecting that. Obviously, we want a knife. It's very interesting. Also, it's kind of weird that it's like you can take 2 shots. What is that guy doing? Oh, spacebar switches. I'm assuming I can't. Oh, he killed me! No! Oh my god. Well. Actually. What? Why did that guy not die? He's so tough. Okay, well that went a lot better than I expected. Guess I should just turn off lights as I go. It's more beneficial to me. Just turning off every light. Oh shit, what am I gonna do about shotgun guy now though? I guess I could hide in here and maybe work something out from there. They're gonna come in and be like, oh, blah, 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 bling. Oh, I can throw the knife. Oh, wait a second. Can't I... Oh yeah, this is a door. Where does this vent go? Fuck! I thought I could... Oh, this will save ammo also. Oh, 3 headshots. Oh, that wasn't a headshot. Thought it was a headshot. No. Oh, right. We don't want to. Yeah, so... Oh, wait. Okay, we killed him. Killed him dead. Oh, shit. Oh. I thought that was like a dark room and that they couldn't see me. Okay. I don't know what that black... Oh! Oh! That's a roof! I was such an idiot. It's totally a roof. It's not a... It's not pitch blackness, it's... roof. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh! Fuck. Very difficult. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I'm doing a terrible job with this video. I'm being so quiet because I'm being really concentrating. It's not working out for a video very well, but... Fuck it. Well... I can always look at the drugs now for sure. Oh, wait, E. Spec drugs. And then I have to kill everybody left. Okay, this is super easy now. I did it. Totally did it this time. Oh my god. Okay. Well, this is a 20-minute video of me being quiet for a lot of parts of it. this is a really cool game. I don't know any. I should look up the news about when it's coming out and stuff, but because I really want it, I just need to not suck at it. Might not be good for me for a video because I have to concentrate. And then I get quiet. That time I was just trying to stifle a burp, but I don't know how much of this video is fucking me being fucking garbage silence. Anyway. Hey, thanks for watching. This is a cool game. I'm pretty excited already. Join me for the next thing next time. See you guys.